Hello students. Now we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise number 10.2. In this question, we have given two concentric circles. You know what are concentric circles? Two circles having the same center but different radius. Okay. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Okay, first of all we will draw figure. It is the first circle and it is the second circle. This is the center, or these two are the concentric circle. That means the center of both the circles are same, but the radius of this circle is 3 centimeter. Suppose it is A, and the radius of another circle is B, OB, that is 5 centimeter. We have to find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. That means we can draw BC at point of contact here, that is P, and draw and join OP. Okay. So we have to find the length of BC. Clear? See students, here this point is O. OA is 3 centimeter. Similarly, OP is also 3 centimeter. Clear? Given two circles with radius, two circles, or we can write two concentric circles of radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. That is OB is equal to 5 centimeter and OP is equal to 3 centimeter. To find BC, or length of BC, okay. Now what we do here, see, according to our theorem number 10.1, this is a perpendicular. OPB is a perpendicular. How? Since the tangent of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Therefore, OPB is equal to 90 degree. Clear? This implies OB square minus OP square is equal to BP square. This implies BP square is equal to OB square plus OP square. Clear? This is the BP square is equal to OB square minus OP square. Clear? So BP square is equal to OB square, that is 5 square minus 3 square. So BP square is equal to 25 minus 9 equal to 16. This implies BP is equal to 4 centimeter. BP is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, this equal to 4 centimeter. Students, in the previous class, we have also learned that if a perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisect the chord, since we know that if a perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord, it bisects the chord. This implies BP is equal to PC, or BP plus PC is equal to BC. BP we have find 4 centimeter. Similarly, therefore PC and BP both are equal. So BP is equal to PC is equal to 4 centimeter. And from the figure, BP plus PC is equal to BC. This implies BP4 plus 4 is equal to BC. That is, BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Hence, the length of the chord touches the smaller circle is equal to 8 centimeter. Clear? So, students, pause the video to be noted down.